Have you ever wondered why so many people never reach their full potential? We see talent and good intentions everywhere, yet so many remain stuck. Is it just bad luck or lack of opportunity, or is it something deeper, something within ourselves? The real barriers are often invisible: our thoughts, fears, and habits. Today, we'll uncover the true reasons most people never achieve the success they desire. This isn't about blame, it's about awareness and breaking free from self-imposed limits. Are you ready to discover what's really holding you back? Let's begin. We're told, work hard and you'll succeed. So, we fill our days, stay late, and wear exhaustion like a badge. But is all this effort actually moving us forward? Or are we just spinning our wheels? Hard work alone isn't enough. Think of a hamster on a wheel. Busy, but going nowhere. True progress comes from working smart, not just hard. Are you focusing on what truly matters or just staying busy? Success demands strategy. Finding the few actions that create the biggest results. In a world of distractions, focus is a superpower. Without it, our energy is scattered. Say no to the good so you can say yes to the great. Consistency is the engine. Showing up every day, even when it's tough. One workout won't change your life, but a habit will. Redefine your relationship with work. It's about progress, not just movement. Ask yourself, am I building something or just being busy? Let's move beyond the illusion of hard work. Commit to working smart, focusing deeply, and acting with consistency. Your energy is limited. Make sure it's moving you forward. This is the first shift to real success. Let's make it count. The biggest dream killer isn't lack of talent, it's fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment. These are the bars of the cage that keep us from trying. Most people don't fail because they try and fall. They fail because they never try at all. The fear of what might go wrong is so powerful it keeps dreams buried. We imagine the worst and let that dictate our reality. Failure isn't a verdict, it's feedback. It's how we learn and grow. Then there's the fear of what others think. We let imagined opinions hold us back. But the people who matter will support your courage, not your stumbles. If you want to do anything meaningful, you'll face both failure and judgment. Every successful person has faced critics and setbacks. They didn't avoid fear, they learned to move forward anyway. Reframe failure as education, not defeat. Turn down the volume on others' opinions and turn up your own purpose. The goal isn't to be fearless. It's to act despite the fear. Feel the fear and do it anyway. That's how you break free. That's how you grow. Let's move forward together. The comfort zone feels safe, but it's a trap. And procrastination is its gatekeeper. We avoid the hard things, choosing easy distractions over real growth. Our brains crave comfort, so we put off what matters most. We tell ourselves, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow rarely comes. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's often fear in disguise, but nothing grows in the comfort zone. Imagine a seed that never breaks its shell. It never becomes a tree. Growth requires discomfort and risk. The comfort zone lulls us into stagnation. Days blend into years and nothing changes. To break out, recognize that discomfort is a sign of growth, not a warning to retreat. When you feel resistance, lean in. The antidote to procrastination isn't motivation, it's systems and discipline. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Break big tasks into small steps. Schedule your priorities, not just your time. Take the first uncomfortable step. Action creates momentum. Don't wait to feel ready. Start before you're ready. Every step outside your comfort zone expands your potential. The real work happens at the edge of discomfort. That's where you grow. Don't let comfort steal your future. Move forward, one step at a time. Your future self will thank you. Imagine driving with no destination. You'll wander, waste fuel, and end up lost. That's how most people live, without clear goals. They work hard, but without direction, their efforts are scattered. A life without goals is a life at the mercy of circumstance. You drift, letting others and events dictate your path. No wonder so many feel unfulfilled. Clear goals are your internal GPS. When you know what you want, your mind starts spotting opportunities. The world doesn't change, but your focus does. Vague wishes aren't goals. I want to be successful isn't enough. Real goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound. I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week. That's a goal. Writing down your goals is a powerful act of creation. It shifts your identity from drifter to someone on a mission. Define what success looks like for you in career, health, relationships, and growth. Write it down, review it daily. Let your goals guide every decision. Without them, you're just drifting. Set your course. You become who you surround yourself with. We absorb the attitudes and beliefs of those closest to us. This can lift us up or hold us back. Take a look at your inner circle. Are they encouraging growth or keeping you small? Toxic influences aren't always obvious. Sometimes it's the well-meaning friend who doubts your dreams or the family member who urges you to play it safe. These voices chip away at your confidence and normalize limitation. If you're surrounded by negativity, it's hard to believe in what's possible. Your environment shapes your destiny. This includes the media you consume. Choose inspiration over comparison. Curate your circle. Seek out mentors and peers who inspire and challenge you. Create distance from those who drain your energy. Tend your environment like a garden. Pull the weeds so your potential can grow. Your success depends on it more than you think. Success isn't a single event. It's built in the small daily choices you make. Big achievements are the result of tiny disciplines repeated over time. Think of building a castle. It's not one giant block, but a brick laid every day. Your habits are those bricks. The choice to read instead of scroll, to exercise instead of skip, to reach out instead of wait, these add up. The results aren't instant, but they compound. The challenge? Good habits have invisible rewards at first, while bad habits feel good right away. That's why discipline matters, choosing long-term gain over short-term pleasure. With repetition, habits become automatic. You don't have to think, you just do. This frees your willpower for bigger challenges. Look at your goals. What daily habit will get you there? Want to write a book? Write 500 words a day. Want to get fit? Move your body every day. Don't focus on the mountain, focus on the next step. Every action is a vote for the person you want to become. Start small. Pick one habit. Be consistent. Track your progress. Over time, these small actions create massive change. Your future is built by what you do today. Lay your bricks one day at a time. Everything we've discussed points to one truth: the power to change your life is within you. It's easy to blame circumstances, but that gives away your power. The first step to success is shifting from blame to responsibility. You can't control everything, but you can always control your response. This is your power. Life isn't happening to you, it's happening for you. Become the architect of your habits and your days. Take full responsibility for your results, both wins and losses. When you fail, look for the lesson, not the excuse. Success isn't luck. It's discipline, consistency, and ownership. It's a choice you make every day. So ask yourself, are you ready to take control? The gap between where you are and where you want to be is bridged by your choices. The choice is yours. These insights are invitations to action, not just ideas. The gap between knowing and doing is where most people get stuck. Now you have the awareness, what will you do with it? The journey to success starts with ownership, purpose, and action. You are the author of your story. Write one you're proud of. If this message inspired you, like and subscribe for more. Comment below. What's holding you back? Let's support each other. Now go build the life you were meant to live.